Let's create this craft paper cutout effect in Photoshop using two different methods. In the first method, we will start by creating a solid color adjustment layers of multiple colors. For this, I am putting yellow on the top to make it pop more. Then we will create a wavy shape. For that, I am using curvature pen tool. As we have to make it smaller afterwards, make sure it's big. Then, with Ctrl or Command key pressed, click on the shape's thumbnail to select the pixels. And after that, activate the color layers mask. Make sure foreground color is white and press delete to hide the selected part. Press Ctrl or Command plus D to deselect. Press V to activate the Move tool and reduce the size of the shape. And press A to activate the direct selection tool to adjust the points and get it inside the previous shape. Continue to do the same process of deleting with the other colors except the last one, as it acts as the base of this like a ground of our pawn. Then go to the top color layer, yellow in our case, and double click on it to open layer style and click on the drop shadow to add it and make these changes. Blend mode to multiply, opacity 50 to 60, and the other details as per your liking, or you can copy this. Right click on it and select copy layer style and go to the other layers. Right click and select paste layer style. This will apply the shadow effect to all of them. After this, go to Shapes, search for fish, and add any fish shape you like from this. Add a bright color to it, adjust its size, create few duplicates of it, adjust their positions, group them and rename it as fishes, and also add a shadow effect to the group. Lastly, at the top, add this craft paper texture, change its blend mode to soft light and reduce its opacity to around 40 to 50%. In the second method, we will directly create the shape and add color to it. Then duplicate the shape, reduce its size and change its color. Add as many as it fits, and then on the first layer double click to add the layer style. And unlike the first method, we will add inner shadow. The changes is quite similar to the drop shadow in the first method. Do the copy and paste layer style as we did earlier, add fishes to it as well, and done. So, in both methods, the main visible difference is in the second one, we get an extra white layer on the top, which is our background. Also, with this, we can create these beautiful card designs. And that's it for the craft paper cutout effect. Let me know which method you like the most. If you are watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment which effect should we create next. Also, follow me on my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.